Light of the world, you step down into darkness. Open my eyes, let me see beauty that makes this heart adore you. Open my eyes, then be you. Here I am to worship, here I am to follow, here I am to say that you're my God. You're altogether lovely, altogether worthy, altogether wonderful to me.